A tea stall paragraph. A tea stall in Bangladesh is more than just a place to quench one's thirst. It's a cherished institution deeply woven into the fabric of daily life. With its modest setup along bustling streets or quiet corners, the tea stall serves as a communal gathering spot where people from all walks of life converge to savor the nation's beloved beverage, cha, or tea. These stalls, often consisting of a simple wooden platform or makeshift table, are adorned with large pots of boiling tea and an array of colorful cups. The tea vendor is a friendly figure who skillfully brews a concoction of tea, milk, and sugar, all while striking up conversations with patrons. The process is a delightful spectacle, with the aromatic steam rising from the cups, creating an inviting aroma that beckons passers-by. Beyond the tea itself, the tea stall is a microcosm of Bangladeshi society. It's a place where strangers become friends. Over shared cups of tea, discussing everything from current events to personal anecdotes. Political debates, local gossip, and even philosophical discussions find a platform at these stalls. The ambience is enhanced by the clinking of cups, the hum of chatter, and the occasional laughter that fills the air. The tea stall also showcases the unique snacks and treats that complement the tea experience. Plates of singara, fried pastries, pithas, traditional rice cakes, and chotpoti, spicy chickpea stew, tempt the taste buds of those looking for a savory accompaniment to their tea. In a country where tea is more than just a beverage, it's a ritual, a social connector, and a symbol of hospitality, the tea stall holds a special place. It's a place to pause, reflect, and engage, providing a glimpse into the heart of Bangladeshi culture and community.